time is now. On everything. Took my heart away from money. I ain't interested in fame.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below. So today's video is just going to be on this look that I have for you guys. And it's really just, I was trying to match my shirt, but I low-key, you know, kind of made it look kind of like a space type look. I don't know. That's what it looks like to me. Comment your thoughts down below if you think so the same. Also, yeah, I don't really know what to call this look, by the way. So it's just a look. And I wanted to use that palette or whatever. So this is a one palette tutorial, but the glitter I used was like separate from the palette. Also, yeah, I just really love these lashes, you guys. These lashes are so bomb. And they are in the style Pinky. And I got them from Pastel Lashes. If you guys are interested in purchasing any, you can use my code down below in the description box. CDaily. If you do not find it, it'll be CDaily. And you can go to pastellashes.com, or you can inbox them directly at Pastel Lashes on Instagram. Yeah, this is pretty much it about this look. If you guys want to see me do this look, then keep on watching. everybody, I am back. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I had added some of my famous Milani highlighter. Y'all already know. This is the Holy Grail. This is what it looks like. This is my famous Milani, and I use the golden quartz, which is right here. I just added that underneath my brow bone, and I also added it right here. And yeah, that's what I highlighted my face with, as you can see as well. And yeah, y'all gonna have to excuse my kids. It is time to do mom duties. It's very early in the morning, all of that good stuff. But I wanted to get a new video out to you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want more videos like this. Don't mind my broken thumbnail. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Click that bell on if you want to be notified every time your girl posts a video. Click the bell. So make sure you click that bell, sis. See you guys in my next video.